Remodeling projects that go wrong. It is common sense to assume that you can recoup the cost of your home's purchase price by fixing it up and, maybe, adding a second bathroom or additional counter space in the kitchen. And you'd be correct in the vast majority of circumstances. New research by Remodeling Magazine shows certain upgrades may actually cost you money and devalue your home. In today's society, a backyard pool is one of the most coveted symbols of success. A pool is one of the few house improvements that shouts, "I've made it. I'm secure with my financial situation like no other." That's not to say that everyone has the same opinion. According to studies in Florida and Arizona, having a pool is still an important factor in increasing the value of your home. It's not only New York City that's affected. Is there any area where the weather isn't always pleasant? It turns out that if you live somewhere with 4 distinct seasons, having a pool might really work against you. Maintenance and insurance costs are the primary deterrents. There is, however, one more detour to be avoided. Many new parents are concerned about the dangers of having small children around a swimming pool. First-time homebuyers may avoid your house if you have a swimming pool because of their fears of drowning. When it comes to remodeling, you should exercise caution when going for an overly fashionable look. It's important to keep in mind that although you may believe an extra touch is hip and trendy, potential buyers may not agree. You may have difficulty convincing a potential buyer to accept a different style of remodeling, even if it is possible. Even if you know you won't be dying in your current home, it's a good idea to keep any renovations neutral so you won't regret them when it's time to sell. Finally, the jacuzzi tub is a danger to be avoided. Most individuals don't have the time or inclination to spend an hour a day in a hot tub, and they won't take advantage of it. Rather than a large, luxurious bathtub, you could go for an expensive shower system,